I would say that it's probably up to 65 miles an hour, maybe, the wind. It's unbelievable. You can hear it howling. The van is just rocking. And all that cloudiness is literally dust. And there's no sun. It's been this way. I've been driving. You can see the tumbleweeds blowing across. I've been driven 180 miles today, minimally, trying to get out of this because Miles and I don't do well with the allergies in this. But it is absolutely horrendous. And it's still like this. We can't even get away from it. Look at that. I mean, like when I tried to fuel today, I mean, the dirt was beating against the side of the van. And it's like I couldn't even hardly let Miles out to pee. It was so bad. Look at that. Gosh. Look at that. Hear it howling? It's crazy. But I'm parked in a safe place tonight. I am actually in New Mexico. I need to catch you up. But, oh my word. It has been, I've had quite a day. Let's see, can you see the tumbleweeds are flying through the air over there? I'm hoping it'll be better tomorrow. We went by the White Sands, I think, National Monument today, and I'm gonna try to turn this. But anyhow, I went by there. I would like to stop because it's a national park, but the sand was just blowing across the highway, everything. I mean, there's no way you could stop, and I mean, you couldn't get out of the van. So anyhow, but I don't know if it'll let up. I might be able to do that tomorrow. Right where I'm parked, there's a kind of a pond there that you can see. There's pretty significant whitecaps in it behind me there, and there's other campers here, so I'm not alone. But I have just parked not very long ago. I do have some signal here. It's not great, but I will see if I can post this. This has been something else. It's been even worse than this, places that I've been today, and so I've just been trying to outdrive it. So anyhow, you guys have a good evening. I'm going to work next on catching you up on everything. You won't want to miss it. So you guys have a good night. We're in a safe place. Thank you.